we are forced to say goodbye. If we don't know about the future of the Forex market, almost everything is changing. From how the market is analyzed to special tools for AI trading, algorithmic trading, new generation traders, and international financial regulations are all being redefined. We have entered an era where it's no longer possible to survive in Forex with a traditional outlook. What exactly awaits the market? If you have a guess about it, write it for us right now. The Forex market has entered a new phase. We are no longer dealing with a traditional market that only moves forward with manual analysis and chart reading. Artificial intelligence, self-learning algorithms, and quantum models are now part of the market's decision makers. Robots that process hundreds of economic, behavioral, and even emotional data points in a fraction of a second and hunt for the best opportunities without emotion. In fact, the same information that is vague and scattered for human traders has become a clear trading path for machines. This means more speed, fewer errors, and tougher competition. The future that was once just a prediction is now being implemented in real time on major trading platforms. In the near future, something called human reaction speed will no longer be considered an advantage, because quantum algorithms analyze and trade the market before we even realize what has happened. These models, in addition to looking at price data, simultaneously measure market sentiment, collective behavior, macro policies, and even the probability of geopolitical events. Technologies like natural language processing, or NLP, have enabled machines to analyze economic reports and breaking news more accurately than any human. In this video, you can see the new solution of artificial intelligence without the need for technical analysis. So traditional traders must get ready to enter a game where the rules have changed, rules where the human analysis tool gives way to a data-driven architecture, and the one who succeeds is the one who can swim correctly with this wave. In a world where algorithms analyze the market and execute trades with millisecond precision, you might ask yourself, so what's my role? The truth is, machines aren't flawless. They can read the data, but they can't experience the market's sentiment. They can't decide during a political crisis how much trading value a random tweet actually has. The real trader still has an advantage: human judgment. That's what makes you sometimes decide not to trade, because you know the conditions are just too uncertain. In the future of the market, the successful person will be the one who can use algorithmic tools but still keeps the final analysis in their own hands. The combination of human intelligence and technology is the winning card for the next generation of traders. Not a complete surrender to machines, nor a blind fight against them. The future of the Forex market isn't just full of threats, it's also full of new opportunities. Of course, for those who are ready, when smart trading systems are analyzing the data, a professional trader needs to look for something beyond the charts. Interdisciplinary analysis, understanding complex financial structures, and mastering market psychology. Alongside that, traders who can also learn programming languages will have a greater competitive advantage. On the other hand, the market is also becoming more global. This means opportunities are created to trade on more diverse assets, from digital currencies to tokenized assets. In such an environment, a trader must be both agile and a learner. Someone who invests in education is, in fact, ensuring their future. In the next 5 years, the Forex market will be transformed, both in terms of tools and the mindset of traders. Simply knowing technical analysis or following economic news is no longer enough. The combination of artificial intelligence, quantum trading, and high-speed data transfer is changing the path of decision-making, and the opportunities will only go to those who can adapt to these changes. What do you think? In this fast-paced future, which factor will play a bigger role? Number 1, artificial intelligence. Number 2, quant trading. Or number 3, psychological management in highly volatile markets. If you're curious to know how financial markets can change their direction in just a matter of seconds, you need to understand these factors.